Hello, my name is Joshua Brown from the job aptitude testing website howtobecome.com, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to pass an ALDI numerical assessment. So if you have an ALDI test coming up, then please make sure you stick around to the end, because I'm going to help you to stand out and succeed. To achieve that goal, this is what I'll cover. I'll start off by giving you the different types of ALDI numerical test questions that will come up during your test. I'll then give you step-by-step instructions on how to tackle ALDI assessment test questions. Plus, I'll give you the essential tips you need to help you to pass your ALDI assessment at the very first attempt. I'll also tell you where you can instantly access over 280 ALDI assessment practice questions and the fully worked answers. And just very quickly, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I want to help you to pass your ALDI assessment tests by giving you brilliant practice questions that are toughest ALDI test questions, and I can only do that if you are subscribed. And please don't forget to hit that like button, because this tells me you find these tutorials useful. Okay, let's start by looking at that first ALDI numerical test question type. And to warm you up, I'm going to give you a basic arithmetic question here, which is this. Question 1. Your friends tell you that their electricity bill has gone up from £40 per month to £47 per month. How much extra are they paying per year? Is the answer A, £47, B, £7, C, £87, D, £84, or is it E, £77? Now, when dealing with numerical reasoning questions like these, first work out the key information you need. Once you get this down, you'll be able to whiz through questions like these, particularly more challenging ones like we're going to come on to later on in this tutorial. You can see that I've highlighted in bold the key information you need to answer this question. Now let's work out this question together, and then I'll give you some practice questions under timed conditions. So first, you need to work out the key difference in their electricity bill. Now to do this, you can subtract £40 from 47 to be left with just £7. Now you need to calculate how much extra they are paying per year. As there are 12 months in a year, you simply need to multiply £7 by 12 months to reach your answer of £84. So the correct answer is D, £84. Now let's try a question for yourself. Please put your answer to question 2 in the comment section below, where I will get back to you and mark your answer for you and give you any further advice or help if you need it. And if you do need to pause the video when answering this, please make sure you do, because it's really important that you get the foundations right, because these are essential to answering these aptitude test questions quickly and accurately. Accuracy is key to these questions, but so is speed. And the only way to get better is to take your time initially to get the foundations, get the answers down correctly, and then practice more questions like these to improve your speed. So question number 2 is this. A worker is required to work for 8 hours a day, it breaks, and an hour for lunch during the working day. If he works for 5 days per week for 4 weeks, how many hours will he have actually worked? Is it A, 12 hours, B, 14 hours, C, 120 hours, D, 140 hours, or is it E, 150 hours? Now I'm going to give you 20 seconds to work this out. If you need more time, that's absolutely okay. Take all the time you need. Just put your answer in the comment section below, where I will get back to you and mark your answer for you. So 20 seconds on the timer starts now. Okay, how did you get on? Please put your answer in the comment section below, where I'll mark it for you. Okay, let's move on to a similar numerical format style to that of the ALDI numerical tests. So question 3 is this. Abdu enters a shop and purchases a box of oranges for £4.50. He receives 20% off his final purchase and pays with a £10 note. How much change does Abdu receive? Is it A, £6.50, B, £5.80, C, £6.40, D, 90p, or is it E, £3.60. Now let's work this out together and then I'll give you a couple of practice questions to try yourself. So first we need to work out 20% of £4.50. Now to do that, it's a very simple calculation. We take £4.50 and divide it by 100. The reason we do that is because it's out of a percentage, it's out of 100%. Percentages are always out of 100. So we take £4.50, divide it by 100, and then we multiply that number that we get by 20. That's because we're trying to work out 20%. If we wanted to work out 30%, we'd simply times it by 30. So £4.50 divided by 100, and then we times that answer by 20, and that gives us 90p. Then the next step, we need to minus 90p from £4.50 to get £3.60. Finally, we take our £10 minus £3.60 and we get a total of £6.40. So Abdu received a change of £6.40. So the correct answer is answer C. Now it is your turn. Please put your answer as before to question 4 in the comment section below the video for marking. And just very quickly, at any point during this tutorial, and only if you want to, please click that link in the top right hand corner and head over to my website howtobecome.com, where you can access over 290 ALDI aptitude test preparation style questions, including the ones that we're covering right now, plus the fully worked answers and strategies to pass each question type to make you the standout candidate. Okay, question 4 is this. Joel wants to buy £30 of shopping in a supermarket. He has a discount voucher that reduces the total cost from £30 by 15%. Joel pays with a £50 note. How much change does Joel receive? Is it A, B, C, D, or E? You have 20 seconds on the timer to work this out, starting now. You're doing great. How did you get on? Please put your answer in the comment section below where I'll mark it for you. Let's try another one. Question 5 is this. Phoebe spends £27 in a retail store. She has a discount voucher that reduces the total cost from £27 to £21.60. What percentage was Phoebe's discount voucher worth? Is it A, 10%, B, 15%, C, 20%, D, 25%, or is it E, 5%? Now this question may first seem a little trickier, especially when you're not using a calculator, but here is a really good tip for you. So my tip for these percentage questions is this. Start off by working out what 10% of £27 would be, which we know would be £2.70. By knowing this, it will help reveal the answer from the options below. So try working out the answer with this information yourself and let me know in the comment section which answer you think is correct. Your 20 seconds starts now. Did you get it? Okay, let's move on to the next question. It's now time to make these a bit more challenging by mixing in visual graphs and tables. These numerical question types are known as data interpretation tests and are frequently used in ALDI numerical reasoning tests. So here is the question. If you were to purchase 3 carrots and 10 parsnips using a £20 bill, what percentage of your money will you spend? Here is that graph with the data and the pricing information. Is it A, 10%, B, 20%, C, 25%, D, 15%, or is it E, 5%? Now, numerical data interpretation questions look more intimidating than they actually are. The trick here is to find the relevant information you need and disregard the rest. Most of the information will be redundant most of the time. Here, we only need to look at the rows for the parsnips and the carrots. The information for the tomatoes and leeks is redundant and isn't needed, so we can remove it just like this. That makes it a lot more simpler to look at and a lot less overwhelming. So to answer this question, we first need to work out how much you spent. So 3 times 35p gives us £1.05. That's off 3 carrots. And then £3 for a pack of 10 parsnips. So £1.05 plus £3 gives us £4.05. Next, the calculation to work out the percentage is a simple one. It's simply this. The percentage equals the value divided by the total value times by 100. So let me break that down for you. In this case, it'll be £4.05 divided by 20, because 20 is the total value we paid using a £20 note. So that gives us 0.20 or 0.2. So we take that 0.2 and we multiply it by 100, again because it's out of 100. A percentage is always out of 100. So 0.2 multiplied by 100 gives us 20. So the correct answer is B, 20%. So again, now it's your turn. I want you to take your time here, pause the video if you need, but please do put your answer to the question in the comment section below so I can mark it for you. I'm going to give you a few of these to try because these type of questions are ones where you need to shine. So here is the question. Question 7 is this. What is the percentage change in the number of females who play the guitar from 2022 compared to 2023? Here are your answer options. You have 30 seconds this time on the timer, and just as before, to answer this question, you will need to sift out the information you need from the table. Remember, most of the data in the table is redundant. Once you have the data you need, you can apply similar percentage calculations from before to work out your answer. So your 30 seconds on the timer starts now. Okay, great. Let's try another question type. So question number 8 is this. Below is a table representing costs for different products. Product Z gets taxed 25% of the total sales revenue. What would the total sales revenue be with tax for product Z? So here are your answer options. Again, you have 30 seconds on the timer starting now. You're doing great. Don't forget to put your answers in the comment section below so I can mark it for you and give you any further help if you need it. Let's try another one. What is the ratio of females to males who play hockey in 2023? Here's the information you need and here are your answer options. Again, you have 30 seconds on the timer starting now. Okay, brilliant. Let's take a look at question 10, another data interpretation question. Question 10 is this. How much more does it cost a company to place 4 40-second video advertisements without a voiceover and 1 30-second video advertisement with a voiceover, compared to a company placing 6 20-second video advertisements with a voiceover and 1 10-second video advertisement without a voiceover? Wow, that's a lot of information to take in. Here are your answer options. 30 seconds on the timer, starting now. So the next thing to do is to please make sure you click that button in the top right hand corner of this video right now and head through to my website howtobecome.com, where you can get access to 290 plus ALDI preparation style aptitude test questions and the fully worked answers to each question. You can literally have online access within 2 minutes from now, and it's guaranteed to help you prepare effectively for your next job aptitude test, and also, more importantly, put you ahead of the competition. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe, as I'm on a mission to help as many people as possible pass their aptitude tests and job interviews, and I can only do that if you are subscribed. Please also hit that like button, as that encourages me to make more videos just like this one. And if you do have any questions regarding any aptitude tests, please feel free to put these in the comment section below, where I'll get back to you. And finally, don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I've put my LinkedIn link in the description below. It is always great to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best with your assessment. Have a brilliant day.